Ever wondered how to start investing but felt overwhelmed by all the jargon and choices? You're not alone. Many people find the world of finance intimidating, and that's exactly why platforms like StashAway are gaining popularity. But what is StashAway, really? Is it a stockbroker? A robo-advisor? A magic money-making machine? Well, let's break it down. Before we dive into StashAway, it's important to understand the different ways you can invest your money. You could go the traditional route and work with a financial advisor who will manage your investments for you. Or, you could open a brokerage account and buy and sell stocks, bonds, and other assets yourself. Both of these options have their pros and cons. Financial advisors can be expensive, while managing your own investments requires a lot of time and knowledge. That's where robo-advisors like StashAway come in. Think of them as a middle ground between these two extremes. They use algorithms to manage your investments for you, but at a much lower cost than a traditional financial advisor. So, to answer the initial question, StashAway is a robo-advisor. Now, what does that actually mean? Essentially, StashAway automates the investment process. You tell it your financial goals, your risk tolerance, and how much you want to invest, and it creates a diversified portfolio for you. It then automatically rebalances your portfolio over time to keep it aligned with your goals and risk tolerance. This is crucial because as markets fluctuate, your portfolio can drift away from your initial asset allocation. Rebalancing ensures you're not taking on more risk than you're comfortable with. One of the key advantages of StashAway is its accessibility. It's designed to be user-friendly, even for people with no prior investing experience. The platform is intuitive, and it provides educational resources to help you learn about investing. Plus, the minimum investment amounts are often lower than those required by traditional brokerage firms, making it easier to get started. Another important aspect of StashAway is its focus on diversification. Instead of putting all your eggs in one basket, it spreads your investments across a range of asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and even commodities. This helps to reduce your risk and potentially improve your returns over the long term. Diversification is a cornerstone of sound investing, and StashAway makes it easy to achieve. Now, it's crucial to understand that StashAway, like any investment platform, comes with risks. Your investments can go up or down in value, and there's no guarantee that you'll make a profit. Past performance is not indicative of future results. It's essential to do your research and understand the risks involved before investing your money. Robo-advisors simplify investing, but they don't eliminate the inherent risks of the market. You still need to be comfortable with the possibility of losing money. Furthermore, while StashAway manages your investments, it doesn't offer personalized financial advice in the same way a human financial advisor would. If you have complex financial circumstances, you might still want to consult with a professional. StashAway is a great option for people who are just starting out or who want a simple and low-cost way to invest, but it's not a substitute for personalized financial planning. So, in a nutshell, StashAway is a robo-advisor that helps you invest your money in a diversified portfolio based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. It's a convenient and accessible platform, especially for beginners, but it's important to understand the risks involved and to do your own research before investing. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.